Hi guys, welcome back. I wasn't super happy with the way this one turned out, so I'm going to do a pour over. I did get some pictures of some really pretty areas like right in here and right in here, but I'm going to pour over it. So let me check and make sure this is level. I'm going to do a open cup pour. I had to level my canvas there real quick. So anyway, I'm going to pour over this. I'm going to do an open cup pour. I really like open cup pours. This is kind of a big one for this size canvas. Let me switch this out. Okay, I'm gonna use a smaller one. This is just a little kid's yogurt cup that I cut the bottom off of. And for my paint, I'm gonna use one of the colors I'm using. I mixed it up. This is a Perfetto paint. It's a pearl paste that I mixed up with some pouring medium, liquitex pouring medium, and some floetrol. I'm gonna add just a little bit more water in there. And there's some silicone. And then I mixed my background color, which is gonna be black, with another Perfetto pearl paste that I just ended up mixing in the cup because there isn't much left. This is iridescent gold. So I added some iridescent gold to my black, quite a bit actually. You're not gonna be able to see it probably, but to make it very shimmery. So the camera's probably not gonna pick up that shimmer. So I have that. I have this, just this mixed with some floetrol and pouring medium. And then I have a little bit of bright orange. So that might make a fun cup. So first I'm gonna do my background real quick. So I'm gonna cover this canvas in this black iridescent. I hope the camera picks some of that up because it is really pretty. Okay, so I had to add some normal black, just regular mixed Mars black, because I didn't have quite enough. And I kind of left it around the edges, just so that it kind of frame the canvas and then have that center, have that gold black. I'll have to touch up the sides, but I can do that later. So, okay, where's my little cup? Put my cup right here. I might start out with this orange just because there's not very much of it. So I'll just use all of that right away. Go to some of this red. White. I love this iridescent white. That was kind of chunky. Some red. More of this white. There, it's starting to lift the cup. Just kind of let it do its thing. Some more red. And I have some of this right here. I might finish off with just a little bit of this because I think it'll complement the colors really well. Really pretty. So let's kind of let it float around, do its thing. There's the whites coming through. Oh, that's pretty. I'll pick it up because I don't want to lose those cells. I love those colors. Stretch it back that way so we don't lose all that. I'm losing those cells anyway, I guess. That's all right. I'm gonna lose most of the cells from the very beginning, but what's something I like too, not just some cells. And there's kind of a neat, what I think I'm gonna do is take a paintbrush. It's kind of a frayed one, which is what I want. I'm gonna kind of do a paintbrush swipe at the top here. I like paintbrush swipes because I kind of leave, I'm gonna dip it in my red. Boop. And kind of swipe that through. Kind of give it a little bit more subtle of an edge against that black. I like this very sharp edge, so the bottom I'm gonna kind of leave, but actually I might take some of this orange too. I'll worry about getting black in that one. And brush it through. Then I'm gonna take a straw and actually blow that up a little bit. There we go. I like that kind of a subtle edge over there and then more of a sharp edge over here. What I might do actually, yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna use the rest of this red. I'm gonna do just a swipe up here. So I really want to bring that color up a little further. See if I have enough white. This orange. Kind of lost most of this. Okay, let's do a little swipe. Let's see what I have here. I'm gonna do this. I don't know how this is gonna work because I forgot to wash this off when I used it last time, but kind of a scratch here. That's really cool. That black is making it muddy really fast, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I really kind of like that ending to that side of the canvas. That's really cool. I have some pretty drips here. Let's do some close-ups. There you go. Little